Flutter meter. Yes, 26 September 2025. Using a wow and Flutter meter with a National RX-F20. We've got the 3000 kilohertz tape in here from stereo2go. And I got this application which I installed. I'll put the link later, from stereo2go. And this is a wow and Flutter meter. I have it set up for a, up here the three dots. Let's see here. The reference tone is, I selected a 3000 kilohertz tape, which is what I'm using. So that's about it. It's pretty simple. You just hold the microphone of your phone up close to your speaker like I'm doing here, and it'll register on there, and it is showing, okay, the speed deviation should be straight up and down, so it's just a fraction fast. So it's actually perfect, in my opinion. But I will take my happy little adjustment screwdriver here, which is a jeweler screwdriver, 2mm roughly, and I'll attempt to adjust it just a tad and see if I can get it while showing you this as I'm doing it. Let me get my tape finder out of the way, and I've got this running to here. So I can put this here and let you see that, right? Wait. Well, let's stay there. Okay, now stick this in here, right? And okay, I went the wrong direction. So now I'm cranking out the other way. Whoops. Felt that. See if I can go up there. Whoop. Whoa, went right off the scale. Okay, so I am 1% fast, and now I'm back. Well, actually, yeah. So wait, let me pull it out. So I'm like between, I'm 0.5% fast. Between straight up and 1% fast, and the wow and Flutter meter is reading, between 2% to 3%. Between 1 and 3%. Not really much of an average, but hopefully you can see that, you hear that, and you can see that rolling along like this. Of course, I pull the phone away, it doesn't register as well, so I have it back here with the microphone. Hopefully you can see that, alright, but, well, maybe not. Here, I can do it like that. And I got a Facebook camera going, but that's it. I just wanted to show you that's how that works. This is how this happens. This is an Android phone. This is a Pixel 6a. Alright, so anyway, good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And let me hit stop on this. Hit stop. Did I bring a music tape? Here's a music tape. Okay, and hit eject. Wait, no, there is no eject. I just pull the tape out. Alright, so here's the tape. Where is the tape case? Wait. I have a tape case here. Here's the tape case. Here's the tape case. Right, there's the tape case. Can you focus on that? Alright. Maybe y'all can see this, I don't know. But this is a fixture audio speed calibration tape. Side A is first 15 minutes, 3000 kilohertz, and recording deck is a Sony TC-K555ESJ. Again, that's a Sony TC-K555ESJ. Alright, that's all I know about this. So that's the tape. This is it. And then, of course, if you need to rewind your tape, you get your happy Hitachi tape winder, and you throw your tape back on here, like this, and it rewinds it for you. And it goes back to the beginning and stops. Nifty little device here, like that. So I can go back to, oh, you're not seeing it, there we go. Anyway, it does like that, and then it'll come to the end and stop, and you're done. You can start over, great. And I'll just play a bit of music which didn't even cue it up. See what, we don't care, just throw it on here. Right? Okay, so that. And sounds great, gotta go. Alright, thanks for watching. Turn this camera off.